Hey friends, if you encounter high CPU usage on your system due to widgets, then please watch this video. And actually, widgets is something that causes high CPU usage. Let me turn it on for you first so that you can see what all it has. So it has weather, it has news, it has stock market suggestions, it has games, it has everything. Obviously, it is a very heavy application. So if you wish to, what do we say, reduce high CPU usage due to widgets, simply right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings and turn off the widget switch. This should help in most of the cases, but if it doesn't, then simply update Windows. Okay, so right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, select check for updates in the right pane. And then obviously you can perform an SFC scan, which will scan for missing and corrupt files on your system and fix them if possible. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. This will run the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.